Hi, today we're going to prepare a very popular Indian dish. Any guesses? Yes indeed, yummy, mouth-watering butter chicken. Here we have 3 chicken breasts, that's around 500 grams. To this we will add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon vegetable powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilly powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Squeeze in half a lime. And let this mixture marinate for half an hour. However, the longer the better. Now we're going to shallow fry the chicken. Make sure the pan is not overcrowded. What I've done here is I've heated 2 pans at the same time. You can cook them in 2 batches. Fry the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes on each side till they're nice and brown. Now in the pan that you've already fried the chicken, you're going to add half a stick of butter, add 1 chopped onion, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, and 1 inch ginger. To this add in 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chilly powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, saute it for a minute. Add in 3 chopped tomatoes, and 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. And let it simmer till the tomatoes are nice and soft. Add in half teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now the tomatoes are nice and soft. Add in 8 cashews. Let this mixture cool and then grind it up with 1/4 cup of water. We need a fine paste. Put in your fried chicken and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, also known as Kasuri methi, and 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Yummy, mouth-watering butter chicken. Today we're going to prepare a very popular Indian dish. Any guesses? Hi, today we're going to prepare a very popular Indian dish. Any guesses?